Which self-propelled lawnmower is actually worth your time and money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get clear answers. Today, we're covering the top 5 options that truly stand out in 2026. Product number 1, Lawnmaster LM-RM 1801 Push Reel Lawnmower. First up is the Lawnmaster LM-RM 1801 Push Reel Lawnmower. Priced at $99.99, this manual mower caught my eye with its unique scissor-like cut. If you want a healthier lawn without the noise of gas mowers, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The LM-RM 1801 features an 18-inch deck that allows you to easily cut through grass without ripping or tearing, promoting better growth. With 9 adjustable cutting heights ranging from 1.1 to 2.5 inches, you can customize your cut for different grass types and seasons. Plus, it's lightweight at just under 13 kilograms, making it easy to maneuver around your yard. Now, some people complained about the fact that it's manual, which means it requires a bit of effort. Here's the thing though, if you have a small lawn and enjoy a little workout, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're eco-conscious and looking for a cost-effective mowing solution. Skip this one if you have a large yard or want something that does the work for you. For $99.99, it offers great value for a manual mower. Now, if the manual aspect of the LM-RM 1801 bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Lawnmaster LMR M11602. Next, we have the Lawnmaster LMR M11602 Push Reel Lawnmower. At just $72.24, this 16-inch model is ideal for those needing something compact. If you're dealing with smaller lawns, this one's definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you. It also features that scissor-like cutting technology, which means your grass stays healthy without any tearing. The customizable cutting heights range from 1 to 2.5 inches, so you can adapt to different grass conditions. Weighing only 22 pounds, it's easy to push around without straining yourself, making it great for quick jobs. Some users pointed out that the smaller cutting width can be limiting, especially for larger spaces. But if you've got a small or medium yard, you'll find that this mower is pretty efficient. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, eco-friendly option for smaller lawns. Skip this if you have a sprawling yard that needs tackling. For its price, it's an excellent choice for compact spaces. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a bit more power. Product number 3, Great States 815-18. Now, let's talk about the Great States 815-18. Priced at $116, this self-propelled mower stands out for its reliability. If you want something that makes mowing feel like a breeze, this is definitely worth your attention. Why is this a good option for you? It features a high-quality 5-blade system that ensures you get an even cut every time. And its adjustable height ranges from 0.5 to 2.75 inches, perfect for various grass types. The 10-inch wheels help you navigate your lawn easily, and being motorless means it's quiet and environmentally friendly. However, it is on the heavier side at 27 pounds, which some users found cumbersome during extended use. But if you have a medium-sized lawn, the self-propelling feature more than compensates for this weight. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, eco-friendly option that makes mowing easier. Skip it if you prefer a lightweight mower for tight spaces. With a price of $116, it offers great features for the cost. Now, if you're looking for something electric, the next lawnmower might just be your best bet. Product number 4, Built Hard Corded Electric Lawnmower. Priced at $119.99, if you're tired of gas mowers and want something easier to maintain, this might just be your match. Why should you consider this one? Its powerful 11-amp motor delivers a whopping 3,300 RPM, ensuring consistent cutting power without the noise of gas engines. It has a 15-inch cutting width and 5 adjustable heights from 1 to 3 inches, making it versatile for different lawn conditions. Plus, it weighs only 21 pounds, making it a breeze to push around those tight spots. Some users mention needing an extension cord, which can be a hassle if you have a large yard. But if your space is manageable, this mower will save you time and effort. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, quiet mower with low maintenance. Skip this if you have a very large yard that could be a hassle with cords. At $119.99, it provides excellent features for your money. Now, if you're looking for a smaller, simpler option, let's check out our final product.
Product number 5, Lawnmaster LMRM 1401, priced at $67.99. This 14-inch push reel mower is a great budget-friendly option. If you have a small yard and want something affordable, this is worth considering. Here's why it's a solid pick. It features that same scissor-like cut, which is gentle on your grass, and has adjustable heights from 1 to 2 inches. The 10-inch front wheels make it easy to maneuver around your yard, and at just under 14 pounds, it's lightweight enough for anyone to handle. The main downside is that the cutting width is narrower, which can make mowing time-consuming for larger lawns. But for small spaces, it's efficient and effective. This is perfect for you if you have a small lawn and want a low-cost manual option. Skip it if you need something for a larger area. For under $70, it's hard to beat this value.
So, to sum it up, we've got the Lawnmaster LMRM 1801 for those wanting an eco-friendly manual option, the LMRM 1602 for small lawns, the Great States 81518 for a self-propelled experience, the Built Hard for electric power, and the LMRM 1401 as a budget-friendly choice. Each has its pros and cons, so consider what fits your needs best.